Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the questions I think it could be interesting to ask everyone tonight is Windows 11 getting better? Do you find that the tweaking and the changes, and there are going to be more, so I'm actually asking a question about things that maybe for a lot of people you don't still see that there's more coming. And one of them is the fact that this will be the start menu will be customizable. You'll be able to make it bigger, smaller, the taskbar anywhere you want on the screen, left, right, top, um, and of course all the little tweaks here and there about point in time restore, which is I think is a great thing. The other one is about the fact that you'll be able to recover from a maybe a PC that can't start, thanks to, of course, more of the recovery options, which is available with the Quick Machine Recovery, the pause and Windows updates, where you'll be able to just pick a date and always push it back. Of course, feature that now makes the PC faster, that enables the CPU to actually make everything faster. Some of you have seen this. Not everybody still has it. So, and more is coming. More is coming because we know there's a lot that is going to be pushed this week, next month, and so on. Do you think, and you can answer it just by yes or no. If you have more, you want to explain something, of course, it's okay. But yes or no, is Windows 11 getting better? This is my question. My personal opinion on it is I think it is getting better. I think it is getting way better than it was. And I'm not one that hated Windows 11 when it came out. So, you're going to say, well, you already loved it. So, you can't, hate it after, they make tweaks or fair. But what about you guys? What do you think? Is better or not? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.